Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 403 and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and then swipe to the left to go to the second page. There we go, like so. And on the second page, you will find the battery saver toggle. From here, simply tap on it. It will turn the outline of the battery red and lower down your brightness, which is obviously the result of enabling the power saving mode. So there we go, that is how you can enable your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it, all you would need to do is just find the toggle once again, and then tap on it once more. There we go, to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.